Hi everyone. Today's tutorial is going to be how to pluck your eyebrows with a kitten on your back. This one's all about form, really, to get the perfect 45-degree angle so that she stays comfortably sitting, but so that you can also get a good angle into the mirror and pluck said eyebrows. So, I mean, sure, it's a little complicated. I wouldn't say it's a move for beginners necessarily. It's gonna take some getting used to, definitely some practice to really nail the, like I said before, the angle, and also getting close enough so that you can get an accurate pluck. Because this probably goes without saying, but the cat on your back is a little distracting and can probably take away from the accuracy of the eyebrow plucking. So you want to make sure that the eyebrow shape does not get compromised by said cat on your shoulders. And voila, that's all it takes. You're only going to be sore for about an hour being in this stance for like 5 minutes. So that's today's tutorial. Next week I might have one on, chopping an onion with a cat on your back, or I don't know, even dare I say using the restroom with a cat on your back. It's not out of the realm of possibility. So thank you all for watching. And Molly, do you have any last words? Yeah, I can't leave anyone alone ever. Wow, that was beautiful. Thank you everyone. Have a great Saturday.